Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use Gemini. Google Gemini should be default assistant on the smartphone. To activate it, press and hold power button. What's the weather like tomorrow? What's the weather like tomorrow?
In Krakow.
If the Gemini is not default assistant, let's go to settings and go to apps. Select default app, digital assistant app and select Google. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.